Welcome to our latest video, where we delve into the world of connectivity with our top 5 premium routers of 2024. As we navigate through the digital age, a robust and reliable router is paramount. In this video, we will explore the cutting-edge features, unparalleled speeds, and robust security measures these routers offer. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. If you want to see more of our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. The ASUS RT-AX1800S Dual Band Wi-Fi 6 Extendable Router. Packed with features like subscription-free network security, parental controls, and built-in VPN, this router promises to take your internet experience to the next level. The RT-AX1800S, you're getting blazing fast Wi-Fi 6 technology, supporting MU-MIMO and OFDMA for improved efficiency and throughput. Say goodbye to lag and buffering. This router delivers smooth, uninterrupted connectivity for all your devices. This router also enhances capacity and efficiency with features like MU-MIMO and OFDMA. By efficiently allocating channels and communicating with multiple devices simultaneously, it ensures that everyone in your household gets a seamless internet experience. The RT-AX1800S comes equipped with 5 gigabit ports, including one WAN port and 4 LAN ports. With speeds up to 10 times faster than traditional Ethernet, you'll experience lightning-fast connectivity across the board. Security is paramount in today's digital age, and ASUS has you covered. With AI Protection Classic, powered by Trend Micro, you can rest easy knowing that your home network is protected from online threats. Plus, ASUS Instant Guard provides a one-click secure VPN for added peace of mind when you're away from home. The RT-AX1800S makes it easy to extend your network with AI mesh-compatible routers. Enjoy seamless roaming and advanced features without missing a beat. In conclusion, the ASUS RT-AX1800S Dual Band Wi-Fi 6 Extendable Router is a powerhouse of connectivity. With its ultra-fast speed, increased capacity, and commercial-grade security, it's a must-have for any modern household. Say hello to seamless streaming, lag-free gaming, and rock-solid security, all in one sleek package. Thanks for watching, and next. Number 4. The MSI Radix AXE6600 Wi-Fi 6E Tri-Band Gaming Router. Buckle up, because this sleek powerhouse is packed with features that are sure to level up your gaming experience. The latest 6 GHz band, this router ensures that you get uninterrupted, lightning-fast speeds. Enjoy up to 6.6 gigabits per second of speed, perfect for streaming, gaming, and downloading without a hitch. The MSI Radix AXE6600 comes equipped with AIQoS, quality of service, technology, automatically prioritizing data packets to ensure smooth, lag-free performance for all your devices. No more interruptions during those crucial gaming moments. Underneath its stylish exterior lies a powerful 1.8 GHz quad-core processor, ready to handle all your bandwidth-intensive tasks with ease. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or video conferencing, expect ultra-fast and reliable connections that keep up with your demands. Who says performance can't be stylish? With Mystic Light RGB integration, you can customize and sync the router's RGB lighting effects with other Mystic Light compatible products, adding a touch of flair to your gaming setup. Get ready to game in style. Experience gaming like never before with the built-in Game Accelerator feature. Bid farewell to dropped connections and lag spikes as this router ensures an uninterrupted Wi-Fi connection, allowing you to immerse yourself fully in your gaming adventures. In conclusion, the MSI Radix AXE6600 Wi-Fi 6E Tri-Band Gaming Router is a true powerhouse that delivers on both performance and style. With its lightning-fast tri-band connectivity, AIQoS technology, powerful processor, mesmerizing Mystic Light RGB, and game-accelerating features, it's a must-have for any serious gamer. Upgrade your gaming setup today and take your gaming to the next level with MSI. Thanks for watching, and next. Number 3. The Amazon eero Max 7 Mesh Wi-Fi Router. If you're looking to supercharge your home network for gaming, smart home automation, or simply keeping up with all your devices, stick around for this in-depth review. The eero Max 7 has got you covered. With two 10 gigabit Ethernet ports, you can enjoy lightning-fast wired speeds of up to 9.4 gigabits per second. And with wireless speeds reaching up to 4.3 gigabits per second, say goodbye to lag and buffering. experience greater capacity, minimal latency, and enhanced efficiency, ensuring smooth streaming, gaming, and browsing throughout your home. Thanks to True Mesh Network Intelligence, this router dynamically optimizes data transfer paths, reducing interference and ensuring reliable internet access for all your devices. The eero Max 7 is your ultimate ally. With high throughput and low latency, it's perfect for AR, VR, and cloud gaming, delivering immersive experiences without missing a beat. Keep your digital life safe with optional eero Plus subscription, safeguarding your data and devices from online threats. Plus, with Smart Home Hub capabilities, it seamlessly integrates with Thread, Matter, and Zigbee devices, making home automation a breeze. In conclusion, the Amazon eero Max 7 Mesh Wi-Fi router is a powerhouse packed with features. From lightning-fast speeds to smart home integration, it's a game-changer for any modern household. With easy setup and sustainability in mind, it's not just cutting-edge tech, it's a step towards a brighter, more connected future. Thanks for watching, and next. Number 2. The Tenda AXE5700 Smart Wi-Fi 6E Router, the powerhouse designed to elevate your home network experience. Let's see if this router lives up to the hype and fulfills all your gaming, streaming, and browsing needs. The tri-band Wi-Fi 6E technology of the Tenda AXE5700. With speeds reaching up to 5,665 megabits per second across 3 bands, 6 GHz, 2,402 megabits per second, 5 GHz, 2,402 megabits per second, 2.4 GHz, 861 megabits per second. Say goodbye to buffering and hello to seamless browsing, streaming, and gaming. The 6 GHz band takes your internet experience to the next level. Enjoy more bandwidth, faster speeds, and minimal latency, making gaming and video chatting more responsive and immersive than ever before. The RX27 Pro ensures everyone in your household enjoys lag-free AR/VR gaming, uninterrupted 8K streaming, and smooth video calls simultaneously. Say goodbye to network congestion and hello to uninterrupted entertainment. The 6 GHz band. With wider channels of up to 160 MHz, 4K/8K video streaming and AR/VR gaming become a breeze. Plus, with only 6E capable devices accessing this band, say goodbye to overcrowded networks. With the Wi-Fi function, connecting multiple RX27 Pro routers for a seamless, high-speed whole-home Wi-Fi experience is a breeze. Say goodbye to dead zones and hello to uninterrupted connectivity in every corner of your home. In conclusion, the Tenda AXE5700 Smart Wi-Fi 6E router is a game-changer for anyone seeking lightning-fast speeds, enhanced connectivity, and seamless performance for all their online activities. With its tri-band Wi-Fi 6E technology and advanced features, it's undoubtedly a top contender for the best Wi-Fi router for gaming. And next. Number 1. The Reyee AX6000 Wi-Fi 6 router, a powerhouse designed for gamers and large homes. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. The Reyee Wi-Fi 6 router offers blazing speeds up to 5,952 megabits per second with the latest Wi-Fi 6, 802.11ax, and 160 MHz channel. Streaming, gaming, or browsing, everything feels lightning fast, ensuring smooth performance for all your devices. Under the hood, there's a 2.0 GHz quad-core 64-bit CPU. It's a beast. Whether you're streaming 4K movies or handling heavy gaming traffic, this router manages it effortlessly, ensuring a seamless experience for all connected devices. The Reyee E6 router has a dedicated gaming port that automatically prioritizes any wired device. Just plug in your gaming PC or console, and boom! You're at the front of the queue, enjoying a fast and stable connection without any complex setup. This router provides enhanced signal transmission and reception. Say goodbye to dead zones. Whether you're gaming in the basement or streaming in the attic, you'll enjoy full-strength coverage without lag or latency. The adaptive Wi-Fi QoS technology boosts your gaming experience by prioritizing gaming traffic. Imagine turning your home into an esports arena where up to 10 players can compete simultaneously with minimal lag. That's the power of the Reyee E6 router. Need more speed? The Reyee E6 router offers up to 2.5 gigabits per second home broadband connectivity. The 2.5G port can be used for NAS devices, PCs, or other gadgets, fully utilizing gigabit speeds from your ISP. It's future-proofing your home network. Conclusion, wrapping up, the Reyee AX6000 Wi-Fi 6 router is a gamer's dream and a large home's best friend. With its ultra-fast speeds, powerful CPU, and advanced features like gaming port prioritization and multi-gigabit connectivity, it's a solid choice for anyone looking to upgrade their Wi-Fi experience. Just remember, you'll need a modem to pair with it. Thanks for watching, and stay connected.